On the journey of pursuing healthy and beautiful hair, Sipimo Shampoo has stood out and become the trusted choice of numerous consumers. Behind this lies the Sipimo factory's ultimate pursuit of quality and unremitting efforts. In the R&D laboratory of Sipimo, a group of senior researchers have been dedicated to the hair care field for many years. They have delved deep into the structure and characteristics of hair, as well as the action mechanisms of various ingredients on hair. Through repeated experiments and data comparison, they continuously optimize the formula and precisely proportion the essences extracted from natural raw materials. During this process, the researchers pay close attention to the effects of each formula, nourishment, and smoothness, all for the purpose of creating a unique formula that is most suitable for hair. Enter the production workshop, and the advanced production equipment from well-known equipment manufacturer comes into view. These devices are like precision artworks, operating efficiently and precisely. First, according to the established formula, various raw materials are accurately measured and put into the mixing equipment. Under specific temperature and stirring speed, they are fully blended to ensure that the composition of every drop of shampoo is uniform. Subsequently, through fine processing steps such as emulsification and homogenization, the texture of the shampoo becomes more delicate and stable. The entire production process is carried out under strict environmental control, and parameters such as temperature and humidity are precisely regulated to ensure that the product quality is not affected by external factors. From raw materials to finished products, every link in the Sipimo factory embodies the persistent pursuit of quality. It is precisely this craftsmanship spirit that makes Sipimo Shampoo a trusted choice for many consumers, helping people solve hair problems and possess healthy and beautiful hair.